Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain the most important topic in your SEM exam, and that topic name is Raman Effect. This is the Nobel Prize experiment which is discovered by Dr. C.V. Raman, and because of this experiment he got the Nobel Prize. Okay, so before going to this experiment, we all played one game in our schooling days, in our childhood. That game name is memory game. And the rule of that game is, if you will remember the whole things which are there in front of you, then only you can win that game. Like that only, if you will remember this all operators, then you able to write the theory part in your exam and you will get the good marks. And the one question will come about this experiment, explain about the Raman effect and explain the experimental arrangement which is there in the Raman effect. So I will tell one by one how this experiment is working. Okay, so we taking first one mercury light. Okay, the source of light is mercury light. The source of light is mercury light. We know the intensity of mercury light is this. Okay, and this mercury light consists white color. We know white color is a combination of light. Okay, so for this experiment we want only one light, and that light is monochromatic light. But this consists many light. This mercury light consisting many lights. We want only one light, that is monochromatic light. So we keeping one filter in between this. Okay, now when this combination of lights passing through the filter, then the which it give only one light, one wavelength of light it will give, and that is a monochromatic light. Okay, then one light will, only one light we will get, and it pass to the reflector. R is the reflector. Reflector is there now, aluminium reflector. This is the aluminium reflector. And what is the work of aluminium reflector? I will explain. So when it passing the multiple wavelength or multiple light, when passing through the filter, it will eliminate all lights and give only one monochromatic light, and this monochromatic light pass to the reflector. What is the work of reflector? I already said the intensity of source of light is very less. So this reflector will increase its intensity. Okay, then it will come in the AB tube. AB is the tube, in that liquid is there. Okay, now this light will come in the AB tube, but to overcome the multiple reflection problem, so one horn like structure is there which is covered with the black color. Now it will be absorbed and it will be overcome the problem of multiple reflection. So now that monochromatic light will come inside the tube now, but when it is coming and it is going out through the window, then in the water which is there inside that, it will be heat and it will be vaporized. To avoid this problem, one outcoming, this is the incoming, and one outcoming system is there. Okay, so AB is the tube. Now the reflected light will come inside the tube, and this will come outside from the window, and the scattered light come in multiple direction. We want only one direction. That's why using the slits which are there between the window and lens. Okay, so this is the slits. So work out these slits to give the only one direction. Okay, now the scattered light will come from the lens, and this the spectrograph is there inside it. One camera is there. It will be capture that scattered images. Okay, so all experiment is very easy. All experiment about the explanation and the operators also very easy to remember. So once again I will tell you in the 1 minute, in this short time. So source of light is there. To avoid the multiple wavelength or multiple lights, one filter is using. After using this filter, only we get one light, that is a monochromatic light. Then monochromatic light is passed to the reflector, and when the light is passing to the reflector, the intensity increases. Okay, after increasing intensity, it will come inside the AB tube. After coming inside the AB tube, that liquid is there. Then after this is scattered, and after scattering we keeping the horn like structure is there at the one end of the tube, and this will avoid the multiple reflection. And one end the tube is window is there. From that window the scattered light will come, and that light will falls on the slits, and the works of slit is to avoid the multiple scattered lights, and it will give only one single direction scattered light. And this will come from the lens, and the spectrograph is using, because in that camera is there, it will be capture that scattered photos. Okay, and if this is the experimental arrangement. If in the question define about the Raman effect, then you have to write. I will give an example. The source of light, yes, the mercury light coming from the mercury light. The source of light is yes. Okay, this is source of light. This is going on in the AB tube, but this is the incident light, and this is the scattered light. So the frequency of scattered light is less or more. Example, this is one metal. The incident light is coming, and after falling this incident light, it reflect. The incident light is same, but the reflected light will be changed. It will be higher frequency or it will be lesser frequency. So this is called the Raman effect. This is the most important experiment. Okay, in the exam, define Raman effect and explain the experimental arrangement. It will become, sometimes it will be asked about the application of Raman effect. So it will come in your exam. Okay, first of all, you need to remember these all experimental operators. Okay.